Okay, so we have the cat trapped in the covers.
Animal abuse.
She is freaking out. Here, Colleen, film this.
Alright.
Film me just messing with her.
Do you feel like you've accomplished something?
Yes, I feel like I'm about to accomplish sitting a cat off the edge of a bed.
Oh.
Jesus, she's bad. Oh my god. She's an angry little kitty. Nope, there she is.
Oh, she's gonna kill you.
Maybe. Unless I do this.
You're so mean.
Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. That was ninja.
Oh. That's so cute.
How long have we been filming?
Oh, what?
Jesus. She is tearing right through the sheets. Oh my god.
Oh, jeez. Excuse me, that was rude.
You're a feisty little bugger.
Bugger.
Yeah, she's a bugger.
Let
Freedom,
her
little
out.
bugger. Oh, you don't want freedom, do you?
You're so mean.
Gosh.
Whoa. My bad, I took it
All right.
right off of her. Oh, the
Get
poor
out.
bit.
Or not.
Here
I'm
you
just gonna leave her
go.
under there. All right. That was fun.